अपने मोबाइल पे इस घंटे के आइकॉन को दबाओ और ODF की वीडियोस की सारी नोटिफिकेशंस पाओ। फटाफट दबा दो यार। ओके ब्रो, ओके।
Are you really Russian? You look a little desi.
हाँ दिल्ली से हूँ बैंक।
You are not a star, but thinking is always should be a rock star.
I get these messages about like 3 to 4 times a month.
Maybe once in a week or so.
Once in like 2-3 days.
Once or twice in a month.
It's a part of your others inbox, so it doesn't matter.
I laugh at these messages. I mean, they're really funny.
I'm like, what the fuck in okay life nahi hai? Like people have, out of all the things in the world, they have to write those long messages. I wonder, मतलब ये कहाँ से? How do they even think of it? इतने poetic elements भी उसमें होते हैं. They've written poems and so funny.
Such messages just become a part of your everyday jokes, and then after a while it just becomes non-existent.
Yeah, they do. From let's have a sex chat to boobs to everything.
Not very often. I mean, I would say I don't get those sexual messages.
Not a sexual demand, but would you like sexting? Once you start talking, it would get there. You can sense it from the messages.
It's just really normal nowadays. At first you do get angry, you get upset. Yeah, if you see some, like if you're interested in some guy, you do stalk at times. No, I do send messages, but not in this context.
Yeah, I have stalked a lot of people.
Yeah, I have stalked people, but I haven't creeped them out with such messages. No, I have never creeped out anyone like that. Never.
I get a lot of messages from girls, which I find like really creepy and funny. So this girl messaged me, लेस्बो चैट करी है कभी? Boobs बड़े हैं तेरे, काफी अच्छी लग रही हो, बोलो बोलो.
Yes, in fact, there was a girl who said to me that I think if I would have been a guy, I wouldn't have been able to resist you.
The creepiest was, if you want to listen to my heart, it says you're beautiful. Why would I want to listen to a stranger's heart?
Frankly speaking, I'm having a crush on you after just seeing your pic. Only don't know what happens when I'll come in front of you. I know it's weird because I don't know you, but surely I want to know everything about you. So don't mind. Can we talk and know each other?
Wear decent dress. Please avoid wearing sexy dressing. Otherwise, things will happen to you. So he's actually telling me कि तुम्हारा rape हो सकता है.
Hey Kritika, sorry to bother you. Are you there? It's a little urgent to tell you something. Please reply me. It's very, very, very urgent. Kritika, it's a bit urgent. Reply me once you see my message. Add me, urgent. Please, please. It's very urgent to tell you something. Please reply me once. What is so urgent about it? I'm really curious to know the urgency. And till date, I'm still curious. He still hasn't messaged me what was so urgent about his message. Funniest, so this guy messaged me, please plus me. So I was like, what does this plus symbol mean? Then I realized, okay, he's asking me to add him.
One says, hey, ... Are you inborn cute or have you worked on it?
Hi lady, which place are you from? Please don't mind, huh? I just wanna be friended with you.
There was this 2-3 lines this person sent me. दीप जलते जगमगाते रहें हम आपको, आप हमें याद आते रहें, जब तक जिंदगी है दुआ है हमारी, आप चांद की तरह जगमगाते रहें. इनकी लैंग्वेज तो बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आती है और ये पोएट्री बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेकार है.
May I have a single pleasure, double honor and triple satisfaction to say hi to the beautiful lady out there? I mean, seriously. Okay, so here is single, double, triple. So I'm tetra shocked.
Remove your picture, it dazzled my eyes.
Love is like playing the piano. First you must learn to play by the rules, then you must forget the rules and lay from your heart. Happy Valentine's Day.
हाँ ये रस्में, ये कस्में सभी तोड़ के, तू चली आ चुनर प्यार की ओढ़ के, या चला जाऊंगा मैं ये जग छोड़ के, जिस जगह याद तेरी सताने लगे, उस जगह एक पल भी ठहरना नहीं. Oh my God, रुला देता. I want to say that keep messaging. Please don't send any sexual or creepy messages. But I would like to receive your funny messages sometimes. Like I would like to go through those messages and I want to have a nice pastime.
You guys really annoy people, so please don't do this. If you're genuinely interested in someone, there are better ways to show your concern and liking.
Please go and talk to girls. Have the guts to talk to them face to face. And if you don't have guts, please just don't do this.
If you like this video and can relate to this video, then do hit the like button.
And if you receive such messages or you send them, then please write it down below in the comment box.
Do not forget to share this video with all your friends and family.
Do not forget to subscribe to Old Delhi Films.
And don't forget to subscribe to All Delhi Films.